didn't think I could want? You think you can want?
No, I said I don't think I fit in.
Oh. And why do I fit in?
I don't know. You do.
Am I darker?
No, you definitely don't with your fucking camera. He's gonna be like, what the fuck?
Oh, facials. Injectables. IV fusion. What the IV fusion? Oh, it's parking over here. Oh shit. Yo, this is kind of a steep hill. What the heck?
I'm nervous about today.
Why?
Eco, because I got these jump everything. I don't know what's happening.
You got drunk last night? Is this it?
Yeah.
Okay, that was last night.
Oh. That was a few hours ago. That
Right
wasn't last night. It was a few hours.
Yo, we should go canoeing.
I don't trust myself.
Yeah, but I've been canoeing.
Really?
Yeah.
I would do it.
You haven't? You tell me you don't watch my YouTube videos? Wow. Nah, I get it.
That's not.
Oh, you could have parked right
I don't
there.
even watch my sister's YouTube videos.
That's fucked up.
Yeah. I watch YouTube videos.
Oh, want to look at the map? Oh, this is the park map. Catskill Mountains. Nice. And then I have one more. No, yeah. Well, because I had a ticket. Hello. I have the confirmation.
Yep.
The two? Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Where do you want to sit? Alright, I sit here. You're behind me?
Okay, I'll sit next to you.
What? Dude, imagine driving this thing. This thing's big. Got any seatbelts? You good? Nice.
How you bring your dogs over here?
It's nice. Look, it's paved. Kind of.
I'm scared.
No,
He said hi, black.
We'll get them first. Look, it was black fight back.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that the thing? And the brown ones?
You lie down.
You like that? Okay. Good to know. Oh my god, they got cool. What do you mean? They literally have a sign that says.
That is crazy.
Eric.
I didn't take a picture of that shit.
I took a fucking picture. I'm scared. Keep going.
Let's go to the right.
Wow, why am I so cold?
This is the viewing platform. Ooh, no one over here. Oh, there's people. So, the thing is, the waterfall might be dried up.
Why are the trees like this?
What? Oh, yeah. Oh, they're probably that's only
They didn't tag her?
my friend. No.
She didn't like
That's
her
why.
that post?
Nope. That's why we had to look up on Facebook. No last name either. Yeah. So,
I'll
shit.
go on Facebook without a last.
Really?
Yeah. I'll be fine. But
Why?
bad timing.
We're gonna do that tour again.
Really? No.
What? Dude, we're going down.
If we go down, we gotta come up. No?
That's what the trolley's for.
Oh, it goes all the way down there?
Well, we'll see.
I don't know.
I don't know where we're gonna get
We're
picked
gonna go
up.
down there?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Oh, you're warm.
I'm cold.
The back is warm.
Well, yeah, look at that. Twinkle, why did we think this through?
Because I'm not from here. So how would I think this through?
I'm not
You should
from
know the
here
weather.
either.
I'm not from here.
I'm not
You
from
should know the
here.
weather.
Excuse me, I'm from Queens.
I'm from Queens. This is supposed to be a creek. It's all dried up. You ever notice like the trees near the water are like so much more vibrant color? Because of the water.
Yes, because they are plants.
I was looking at something.
Stop carrying your foot.
I start screaming and I run away. There was like a bunch of spider webs in my hair. I was so scared the spider was gonna like be on me. But it wasn't. My friend stayed behind. She ran the other way. And yeah, in the shower I had to like wash the spider webs out.
Terrifying. I would have been like,
0.4 miles.
that.
Okay, well don't step in the mud.
Ay, go.
Ooh!
Please.
It's actually very sturdy. I'm actually really impressed. You're not though. It's the creek, it's the water. It's the flowing of the resources for the nature.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna brush my ass.
Take it easy. I'm enjoying a little hike. It took us 3 hours to get here. He was trying to count backwards from age. You see, like he didn't make it confusing, but like, alright, they're both wrong.
Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah, I can keep my head safe. With this,
Ooh. Shit. A little further than I thought. Imagine coming back up this shit.
We have to come back up.
No, that's how we're taking the trolley.
Oh yeah, you said that.
Imagine if we did that. Like on a normal day, maybe. Like maybe. You could.
it's like 10:30, 11, I think. Oh, 11:30?
There's a lot of people. What?
She's putting on shit. She's gonna jump off.
Oh, damn.
She took her equipment off. He messed the shower.
What? Oh, thanks. Hey, not bad. What?
Your legs look brolic as
What does that mean? Yeah. There's a bee.
Where is it, bro? Oh, wait, it left.
Be careful, it's slippery. It's slippery.
Okay, stop scaring me. Shit, you can easily just slide right in.
Yeah. I don't know what to do. Alright. I'm getting wet here. Dude, I don't like this shit. Dude, my camera got wet. I'm wet. You coming?
Yeah, I'm trying not to die.
Okay, go to the right. Go to the right, there's a rock there.
Documenting in case I die.
Oh shit, me too.
This is how I die. Do it, do it, do it, do it.
It's pretty flat right there. Yeah. Okay. Oh no.
Why are you going this way?
Because it's drier. Oh. The backside of water. Hey look, that's where we were. Right there.
Oh my god.
Oh, jeez.
We did it!
This is nice. This is only the first one.
Oh.
Because it's a lower level.
Oh.
Oh, we turn right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Glad we did. Glad we did.
Yeah.
Oh. And this is because the water level is low. Imagine if it was... Imagine if it was low. I mean high.
Yeah.
But like in the winter when it's snowing, it's like a frozen waterfall.
I'm scared. I don't have good shoes.
This is the part. This is the part here that I'm scared of. It's actually not that bad.
Oh shit! The fucking raindrop. Raindrop.
Actually, this part is slippery. How is this part more slippery than that? Please let there be no bees. I'm thinking I'm allergic, but I don't know.
You think you're allergic?
Yeah, but I don't know. No.
One time I was in Fiorana's backyard.
Oh, hell
He
no.
was like, "Can you water my plants?"
Oh, no.
I was watering the plants, and next thing you know, I felt something, and I was like, "Ow!" Next thing you know, it was a fucking bee that went in the plants, and it was stuck
In?
It was like right here, like my
Oh, hell
and
no.
it stung me like fucking 3 times in the ass.
3?
Yeah, it was bad.
It
I was
has
like,
more than one stinger?
Oh. I don't know. It like didn't fucking. I don't know. I thought they died. I thought the stinger gets ripped out or some shit.
It's probably a wasp.
No, it was a bee. It was like Luis had to pull it out.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah. I was like, Luis, get the bee. I was crying. Anyway.
This is gonna be interesting. Oh, there's a bee.
Go backwards.
It's the bee.
Go ask her.
See the bee? It looks like a nice bee. Oh, there's another
That
one.
looks like a nice bee.
But I don't trust it.
Then I'm not gonna do anything if you.
I know. It really is. Oh, oh, it's not that bad, actually. This is this one thing.
这个地方可啥都。
We'll look to go now.
Rock climbing.
Oh shit, so many loose fucking rocks. I know you don't think I'm.
No, it doesn't move.
I think that was a bear.
This is a nice little hike. Do you think it's worth it?
This is a nice little hike.
Like so far, I think it's been worth it.
I think yeah. So
The-
like that, you would have never seen that anywhere. Like, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
So.
They're like normal, but like, we've been used to them. Oh my god. Don't look at my shaky legs. Do the stinky leg. So this all flows from that top part where we just were, I think. I'm assuming it does because we've been following it the whole time.
I'm already sweating. I
Oh,
need more
yes.
sun.
I've been kind of cold.
Sweating.
I'm like sweating, but I'm cold. That's how you get sick, by the way. But this sun is nice. I've been waiting for you, son.
Jeez.
Oh shit. Jeez. I said it. Oh, you can see it from here. The little fall. Can you see it? Huh? Right. And sometimes you have to go off trail. Oh god.
Yeah.
There's a bee. I don't know. Maybe it's a fly. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Ooh, an acorn. People.
What kind of trees do acorns come from?
I don't know. I'm not that smart.
Huh?
So I don't know. I'm not that smart.
I feel like that's a very...
What?
I almost fell.
What?
I almost fell.
Well, don't. Don't almost fall. Ever again. Oh, you serious?
Go, you got it.
Oh.
I'm scared, keep going. I'm slipping.
We're good. We're good. We're good. It's not that incline right here. Oh yeah, right here. Move.
I'm slipping, bro.
Take it slow.
Bro.
Take it slow.
I'm taking it slow, but I'm
Step
slipping.
here. Take it slow. Take it slow.
Okay. It's okay. It's not that big of a
We're
fall,
good.
right?
We're good now. No. If you fall, go on your stomach.
What? Why
Yeah,
would I go on my
'cause-
stomach? Why wouldn't I go on my butt?
Or you're just gonna let yourself slide? No.
Oh, right? Okay, yeah.
You want to stop sliding, right? That's like the point.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait. So you can grab the tree. We're gonna go that way then. So if you can do it this way. Yeah, no staircase. There you go. There you go. Oh, there's nobody here. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Very nice.
Very nice.
I don't know.
You said every hour, right?
I mean, there was technically 2 trolleys, so technically, I feel like it should be
Every half hour?
at least every half hour. Yeah. And from here, I don't.
Back is wet.
No, same. I don't know what stop this is. Let's see. Side of a highway, bro. Give me a Cracker Barrel.
I think one, yeah.
I can go for some of that right now.
Which is one?
No, but this just gives me the Cracker Barrel vibes. Yeah. stop.
Thumbs up.
This could take up to an hour.
Don't tell me that.
No, I mean, I hope not. I hope it's like 30 minutes. Less. I hope it comes right now. But it's not.
I'm gonna like that way. She said meet us for dinner then, but we want to do something too.
Seriously, if you fall there, you're not gonna die.
No, but you're gonna fucking hurt the fuck out of yourself.
You're gonna hurt the fucking fuck out of yourself?
Yeah.
I agree. If you like, go up there, and you're just gonna